greetings. I'm your boy Chef Perry, the Vegan Gorilla. Welcome to the Vegan Gorilla Cooking Show. Warmer weather coming, summer's coming. Gonna make a little infused water. Infused water with a little bit of infused ice cubes. So we're gonna make a couple different ones today. Pretty simple. We're gonna do cucumber and mint on one, and that's gonna be for our water. So I got my empty jug here, sliced up small cucumber, throw that all in there. Then I got 3 relatively large sprigs of fresh mint. I'm just gonna squeeze them up just a little bit, just get the oil out of it a little bit, and plop those puppies right back in there. Yeah. I'm gonna fill that up with water, put it in the fridge for a minimum 4 hours. Overnight's even better. The longer you leave it in, all the flavors will infuse in there nicely. So we'll get some water, fill that up in a second. For our next one, ice cubes. So I have some orange and some rosemary. So what I'm gonna do is take fresh orange, cut it up. Now when you do this, make sure you take the seeds out. Don't leave any of the seeds in there because they do, or they will become a little rancid. So you don't want to leave that in there. I'm gonna cut those just in little pieces here like so. Just enough to fit into each one. Nice and fresh. Okay, so we're gonna put orange pieces in there. Some are big, some are small. Doesn't matter, we get it all. Look at that, nice. A little bit more. Two more. Oh. Two more. Okay. Then we're gonna get our rosemary. Sprinkle a little bit of rosemary in each one. On top there. You can be generous if you want, doesn't matter. And all get in there, mixed with the water. You can smell it, let's get that nice, sort of like a sage pine scent to it. Woodsy sort of. Pretty cool scent. And flavor as well. Rosemary goes well with a lot of things. These ice cubes are great just to put in your water, quick to go. If you want to fill up your water bottle, grab a couple ice cubes, throw them in. Within about 5 minutes, they start melting down. You get the flavors of the rosemary and the orange. Really nice combination. And also keeps your water chilled too in the meantime, right? So it's pretty good little hack, as I call it, gorilla hack. So what I also do is I boil my water because typically if you put regular tap water in, it's a little cloudy, so I'm hoping that boiling it will actually make a difference and give me a little bit more clearer ice cubes. So let's fill these up. Nice. All right. Actually, pour that in here. So water in there. I'll be right back and get some more water to fill it up. So I'm going to put about roughly 8 cups of water in here. Basically proportionate to the amount of ingredients I put in there. So let's put this in the fridge. We'll give that the night, and we'll put that in the freezer. We'll give that the night, and I'll be back tomorrow and do a little taste test. But before we go, you almost thought I forgot. A little bit of love. Water and a little bit of love. And the cubes. All right, see you in the morning. So, gorillas, I am back. It is about 15 hours or so after I made the infused water and ice. This is what we got. So we got our mint and cucumber there that's been soaking overnight. And check these out. These are my little bit of orange and rosemary. Oh, rosemary. Nice cubes. So they're, if you notice, they're a little bit, they're a little foggy, but they're also pretty clear too in the drink. But I should have double boiled them. I actually just boiled the water once. If you just use regular ice cubes, you're just going to get clouded and you won't see it as much. So the presentation is much better with a double boil. I did a single boil, you know, kind of rushing it, but you know, not too bad, not too bad. But you can still see through everything. So the taste test. Get a nice little garnish. This is great for summertime. Having friends over on your patio, on your deck and stuff. And nice and refreshing. So a little maraschino cherries and a cucumber on, and put a couple sprigs of cucumber in there too. And remember, this stuff here will, I probably would drink it within 2 days if you can, and you should be able to. It's not very much, only like 8 glasses, 8 cups rather. So, I mean, try to get that, finish that up. What I sometimes do is I'll wait till I'm getting too close to half, and then I'll just top it back up with water, let it sit in the fridge for a few more hours. And it won't be as strong infused, but at least I'll be able to make a bit more. I drink a lot of water around here, and we all do, so it's good for that. But don't let it sit longer than 2-3 days, because then you got to watch for the cucumber and the mint and stuff. You don't want it to get moldy and stuff like that. So don't just keep reusing it and reusing it. Chuck it out, put in some fresh stuff, okay? And ice cubes doesn't matter, they'll sit for a while, so let's give it a shot. So nice little garnish, cucumber and some maraschino cherries. Smells good. Wow. Yeah, that's nice. Boy, that's refreshing. I can taste the cucumber, not over strong, and just that hint of mint. Perfect, perfect. That is really good. I'm gonna finish that in a minute. I'm gonna give that a 5 out of 5. Gross. Just because it's so refreshing. It's got just that hint of flavor. It's not dominant. It's sort of like a background flavor on it. But you can taste the mint and the cucumber together. The combination is just perfect. So here's the big one. This one here, obviously once you put water in it, takes a little bit for the ice to melt a little bit before you'll actually get the flavors of the orange and the rosemary. So I poured this about, I don't know, maybe about 5-10 minutes ago. Let it sit for a bit. So I'm gonna, some of the ice has melted a little bit, so I'm gonna be able to taste the flavors here. So some of this, you can tell that some of the sprigs already came out of the rosemary. So let's give this a shot. Nice little garnish, some orange, maraschino cherries. Once again, some orange. Okay, here she goes. That's nice too. I've actually never made this one. I've had that before, but I've never made this before. Well, that's nice. And the more the ice melts down, it's going to actually get a little bit more potent. But I can taste the citrus of the orange, and the rosemary's got a little bit of a sort of like a woodsy, peppery, sage type taste to it. Really good though. Definitely a must try. So if you get a chance to try this, make it. It doesn't take long, as you can see. It's just time to sit overnight, and that's it. So until I see you again, or if I do see you again, much love. Until next time, be kind.